Calling, this is Sai. May I have your itinerary number, please?
Yes, thank you. My itinerary number is 1415 2413 9845.
Thank you very much. Well, I'll pull up your itinerary. May I have your full name, please?
My name is Chris Bajon.
Thank you, Chris. I have itinerary up, and for verification, may I please have your email address?
It's chrisbajon@peoplesupport.com.
Thank you. I see that in your itinerary, you have a flight booked from Los Angeles to New York on the 1st of August by Western Airlines. The flight departs at 10 a.m. and you have not booked a returning flight. How may I help you with this itinerary?
Yes, I received an email and stating that the flight has changed. I wanted to know what the changes were.
Well, I can definitely look up for you, Chris. One moment, please, while I pull up the record of the flight from our back systems. While do that, though, is there anything else that I can look up for you?
Not at the moment, thank you.
Okay. Thank you for waiting. I've already pulled up a record of your flight, and I see that Western Airlines has kept your flight on the 1st of August, but has changed the time from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Would you like to confirm these changes?
Oh, that's fine as long as it was on the same date. Can I change the time to an earlier time too?
I can look that up for you. One moment, please, while I check the fare restrictions for your ticket. Thank you for waiting, Chris. I've checked the fare restrictions for your ticket, and if you want to reschedule your flight, you must do at least 24 hours from your originally scheduled departure. The change penalty is $100, plus possible fare difference. Would you like to process the exchange?
No, not at the moment, thank you.
No problem. Give me a short few moments to confirm the flight from Los Angeles to New York on the 1st of August at 12 p.m. by Western Airlines. In the meantime, would you like to consider a hotel or a car reservation?
No, thank you. I've already made the previous arrangements.
Okay, I've actually already confirmed the flight. Please remember to arrive at the airport at least 2 hours before your scheduled departure. And since this is a e-ticket, please remember to bring any state-issued ID with you for verification. Is there anything else that I can help with?
No, thank you. You have been most helpful.
You're most welcome. Thank you for calling, Chris. Have a nice day.